Descript and Pictory are both artificial intelligence-powered video editors, but they are built for two very different workflows. Marketing teams often need to make videos fast, keep them on brand, and make sure messaging is clear. The question is, which tool fits the way your team actually works day to day? Descript works like a word processor for video. You upload your footage and it creates a transcript. Then you edit the video by editing the text. Delete a sentence in the transcript, and the clip disappears from the video. This makes editing feel natural, especially for teams who think in scripts, messaging, and storytelling. Descript also includes screen recording, multi-track editing, and the option to create a digital clone of your own voice. If you need to rewrite a line, you can fix it without re-recording. It is powerful and flexible, which is great for interviews, tutorials, walkthroughs, podcasts, and educational content. The trade-off is that it has more tools and may take a little longer to learn. If your team needs detailed control, version tracking, and collaboration in one space, Descript is strong, but it requires a bit of patience during the learning phase. Pictory takes the fast and simple route. It is built for turning written content into video. If your team has blog posts, case studies, newsletters, webinars, or long recordings, Pictory can break them down into short, branded clips. It automatically picks visuals and adds captions. You can adjust wording, choose different stock footage, and change the layout quickly. It is especially useful for marketing teams who need to produce social media content consistently. You can repurpose material into multiple formats for platforms like short vertical videos or wider promotional clips. The editing controls are lighter than Descript. You are not working with detailed audio layers or precise timeline tools. Instead, you make simple adjustments and move on. It is faster but less customizable. So choosing between them comes down to how your team creates content. If your team records people talking, makes tutorials, or collaborates across departments, Descript is likely the better fit. It gives you control and polished results. If your team works from written material and needs quick, repeatable content for social platforms, Pictory is the more efficient option. It turns ideas into finished videos with less effort. Both tools save time and help marketing teams produce more content with fewer resources. The best choice is the one that matches how your team creates and communicates every day.